In this video, I'll show you how to make a view on Airtable editable. Once you were on your Airtable account, the first step is to head over to your workspaces. So on the left-hand side, choose a workspace. And within the workspace section, just simply choose the base that you want to share. So from here, let's say that this will be our employee workspace. Click on that base. Now that will automatically take you to the application of that base. So as you can see here, I have a working workspace. I have my own automations, my interfaces, and my forms. Now let's say you want to share the whole thing. The views, as you can see here, we have here views, we have a Kanban board and a grid view. Now, if you want to share this within your collaborators, what you need to do is simply head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, you will see the option to share. Now, at the bottom, once you click on share, as you can see here, you can invite by an email address. Now, if you invite by an email address, what you need to do is simply add their email address. So as you can see, we have here johndoe@gmail.com. At the bottom, simply choose on new collaborator. And on the right-hand side, you want to make sure that they are an editor. You can also make them a creator. This means that they can fully customize or configure the space. But with an editor, they can add, edit, and delete the fields that are in here. So at the bottom, once you click on invite, it will automatically send them an email to have an access within your base. Now, what you can also do is at the very bottom, you have here anyone can access as an editor. So once you click on one invite link from here, anyone can access as the editor. On the right-hand side, click on copy. Now, whenever you copy this link, whenever you share it, they will automatically become an editor of your Airtable base. At the bottom, you can also create a new link, and from here, you can set the permission as either a creator, editor, commenter, or read only. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.